Hi, this is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. I'm a certified aging in place specialist and a master instructor. Often when we're doing home assessments or evaluations, we want to take note of distances. How long is it from one wall to another wall? How long is the countertop? How high is something? And rather than get out a ruler and carry that around with us or ask somebody to hold it or hook it on one end and try to use it, let's go for some common everyday measurements that we might have with us. For instance, how long is our thumb? Just measure from here to here, and then we can use our thumb as an indicator of a height or of a distance. We have to take several thumbs, but we can do that. Or how about our span? How long is it from the little tip of our little finger to the tip of our thumb like this? Let's determine that. And again, we can lay that out. Or our fist, for instance, that forms a measurement. Or a favorite one of mine is what Noah used in the Bible to make the ark. He was told to make it in so many cubits. Well, that's not a common measurement anymore. We don't go around talking about cubits. We don't go to our home center and buy something in cubits, but it's a very useful measurement. Essentially, it's from our elbow to our little finger, our middle finger, and whatever that distance is, it's typically about 18 inches, but whatever that is, we can lay it down and do it again until we have the distance we want. We can measure the shoe that we're going to be wearing that day, and whatever that number is, we can just step off, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, and then we have a measurement that way. There's so many simple things that we can do, aside from knowing that countertops are generally 36 inches and the center of a door bolt is essentially 36 inches. Things of that nature we have, but I'm talking about some more common everyday measurements that we might have with us that we can rely on. This is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.